Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, greeting to all of us. Thank God, with the blessing and guidance, we can all attend the evaluation meeting of the Mi Zaman Now variant today. Before the stepping on the next event, I will read the arrangement of the meeting today. The first is opening. Second is a briefing and evaluation from the president director. Third is evaluation report of each division. Fourth, discussion and Q&A, question and answer. And the last is closing. So for the event that I please to President Director of Mr. Arif Jakapurnama, the time is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Reza, for the time you have given. I'm sorry if your screen is dark because I to go to somewhere. Okay, today we have an evaluation meeting regarding to development of Mi Zaman Now, which we have been selling for 3 months. It was recorded in the data that I got in 5 different branches. It continued to experience a significant increase. Please give applause for us. Uh, I, as the President Director of PT Lapis Sejahtera Selalu, in responsible person of Mi Zaman Now products, will explain the next steps so that this company always has competitive products in the market. Steps include first, always improve satisfactory service to consumers. Offer our recommended noodle products. Keep smiling and greeting to consumers. Second, ask customer to rate our brands services through Google reviews. Coordinate with each branch so that employees ask for rating and testimonials from Mi Zaman Now consumers. By applying politeness and friendliness, the issue of providing special human resources for assessment we will discuss later. Third, give promotion at certain times. This can lead to the creation of a sense of urgency in consumers so that regular customers or potential customers don't want to miss this opportunity. Give this promotion offline and online so we can get good sales from both sides. Fourth, apply a loyalty system to consumers. Give 10 times the purchase of Mi Zaman Now free variant for consumers. Then the consumers is entitled to get one time Mi Zaman Now free variant for free. However, don't forget to write down your name and give a certain code so that the company doesn't suffer losses and is misdirected by giving free noodles instead of the rightful consumers. Fifth, take advantage of social media. Create an official account for Mi Zaman Now. Use special hashtags that mention the name Mi Zaman Now, and always reply to comments that ask for prices and what potential buyers of the product get. In addition, cooperate with online motorcycle taxi operators so that consumers are closer to our products. Besides that, I also want to know how to development of each division. So for each division, I invite you to describe your each development.
Your mic.
I'm sorry. Okay, next is a report evaluation from Finance Director to Miss Adinda. Please take your right and pleasure.
All right, thank you for your time. Good evening, everyone. I'm the representative of Director of Finance. I would like to tell about our progress for these 3 months. For these 3 months, our 3 months plan works accordingly so far, and we have distributed funds equally to every department without any lackings. And because we have distributed all of the funds equally and as requested, there are no lack of funds from every department, and there are no complaints from each department because of the lack of funds. And then we also fulfill the sudden requests of funds, such as accidents and the damage tools that we have experienced in the past 3 months. And thankfully, we fulfill those requests of sudden funds without any deficit. And for our plan next month and especially next year, we there are no exact plans, but we plan to work as we have planned and work consistently. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Ms. Adita to explain your report. So the next is a report evaluation from Director of Personnel. To Mrs. Agnes, take your time and pleasure.
Thank you, Mr. Okay, I'm a representative of the personnel department. So there is 5 points that will be conveyed by the personnel department. The first one is we have we procured new employees one time in the last 3 months to add human resources in accordance with the areas of expertise needed in the company. The two is developing the work skills of new employees by conducting several trainings, reorganizing employee work, which is carried out 3 times in 2 years, every 9. Uh, Number three is provide compensation to employees who help realize such company goals such as a salary bonus, allowance bonus, and etc. Number four is carry out employee maintenance, where there is still good communication between employees, but senior employees to junior and vice versa. This can be tricked by having a company introduction party once a year, which has been held in October this year. Five is checking and giving layoffs to employees who have a bad influence in the office, uh, don't comply with company criteria, or have not had good change for the last 4 months. Rechecks are carried out on the 25th of every 5 months, and layoffs are carried out every 13 in 3 years. This is all of our points. I give to Mr. Reza. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Agnes, thank you for your report. So the next is a report evaluation from Personnel Manager. To Miss Asa, please and take your time.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reza. I'm Jazimia Sarah. I will explain what I have done as a personal manager. During the last 3 months, I have carried out several tasks, including conducting the recruitment process for prospective employees, preparing budgets related to prospective employees, making work plans for employees, storing and managing employee database and company assets, and then regulate employee welfare through employee payroll systems, bonus, compensation to employee benefit arrangement. And then my plan for next month is to carry out development training for all employees. Um, both new employees and old employees. That's all from me, and thank you.
Okay, thank you for Miss Asa for the report evaluation. So the next is a report evaluation from marketing manager. Uh, for Miss Sheila, please and take your time.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reza, for the time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sheila, the representative of marketing division, and this is the report what the marketing division has done. From the marketing division, we received several sponsorship offers, and we have accept several offers based on the potential of these activities. And then marketing division has just received a sponsorship offer, and I haven't had time to review the proposal yet. Can the admin inform about the sponsorship offer because the admin has accepted the proposal? To Miss Dita.
Yes, thank you, Miss Sheila. Here I will inform you about the essence of the proposal from the Surabaya State University. So the content of the proposal is that the Surabaya State University will hold an event in the form of an art performance in the Universitas Surabaya, where the audience is UNESA students themselves. The activity will be held on 20 December 2021 at the Graha State University of Surabaya. Where in the event will invite a guest star, namely Sheila on Seven.
All right, thank you, Dita, for the information about the proposal of sponsorship. And then, okay, so this is an event of this Natalis with the potential of this event. It seems that we can establish our cooperation because with it we can promote our products. But for the help, it seems we can only help by giving our products only. And I want to ask about the warehouse. Is the stock of our product in the warehouse sufficient for us to provide for this activity? Miss Dita?
Okay, thank you, Miss Sheila. Enough for even with an audience of 100 people, we can still provide. Therefore, I would like to inform the factory department to add stock because the request from the State University Surabaya is very large, and also the request will be sent on 20 December 2021.
All right then. We will accept the offer about the sponsoring of this data list. Okay, and then I will tell about the future activities for marketing. We want to hold a discount event at 12:12 at our outlet. For information, I will update again because this is still not fixed. So I need time to discuss with the rest of the marketing teams. That's all from marketing division, and thank you for the time. I will give it to Mr. Ahmad. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Miss Sheila. So the next is a report evaluation from factory manager to Miss Aini. Please and take your time.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reza. Here I, as the factory manager, will describe about progress report from sales so far. The first one is have made purchase of today's noodle production materials and then process. Second is have has provided all food needs for customer who eat in or take home. Third is has moved all employees of the kitchen to create a distinctive taste of today's today noodle product. And the fourth is have coordinate with the marketing department to cooperate with Gojek, Grab, and Shopee Food. And then the evaluation are first is more active in making noodle production nowadays because it adapts to market demand. The second is increase the number of employees because this product has been known by the wider community. And the last is increase the number of couriers for delivery to the customer's house. Okay, thank you so much for the time to presentation our progress report and evaluation from the factory manager. Less and more, I say sorry. Hopefully, this evaluation will make the performance even better in the future. Thank you, Mr. Reza.
Okay, the last evaluation is from uh, administration and warehouse to Miss Dita. Please and take your time. To Miss Dita, can you hear me?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reza. Here I'm Dita Rahmati as administrative staff. Here I will present a progress report from the administration. For this quarter, number one, have made a receipt of transaction data, employee information in the form of attendance list for a quarterly period. Number two, have create and keep company archive from the quarter. Number three, compile all types of activity agenda that have been carried out during the quarter. Number four, check all incoming letters to the company and coordinate with several staff including marketing, factory, and warehouse department. And the last is have made a petty case book during the quarter and has also taken care of the needs of office employees. And the evaluation is there is an error in the petty case book because it is not careful in checking it and adding administrative staff because there are many administrative tasks, so it requires more employees who are really able in the field of administration so that work can be done quickly and seriously. And I, as a warehouse staff, here I will present a progress report from warehouse from this quarter. Number one, have record every item load and unload. Number two, have checked the quality and quantity of goods in the warehouse, whether it is in the storage, unloading, or others room. Number three, have prepared the delivery and storage of goods. The last is have made a report on the activity of goods. Evaluation is there are several shipments of goods to consumer due to the error of some warehouse staff in the packing process so that our company bears the damage. Therefore, we must be more careful in the packaging process so that the goods sent are not damaged.
Okay, thank you for Miss Dita to say report and evaluation. Okay, the next session is evaluation report discussion and question and answer. So if you have a question from other division, Please open your mic and ask the question. If has no questions, I will skip and the next sections. So the next is the next is a conclusion from that evaluation today. So please, Miss Terry from the secretary, pleasure and take your time.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Mr. Reza. The conclusion of our evaluation meeting for now, for evaluation meeting section is financial will to finance with consistently personnel depart at human resource and developing the work skill of new employees, reorganizing employees work and upgrading payroll system. Marketing manager want to hold a discount 12 at outlet and adding sponsorship proposal. Production department have to more active production, increase the number of employees and some delivery to the customer house. There are error in the PTCAS book in administration and warehouse and must adding administrative staff. Must be more careful in the packaging process so they are good sent out not gimmicks. Okay, and then the instruction from general director, always improve satisfactory service to customer. Ask customer to rate our brand service job to Google review. Give promotion at certain times. Apply loyalty system to consumer and take advantage of social media. For the specification evaluation, I will to share this meeting minutes soon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Miss Terry to report conclusion of that meeting. So uh, the next event is a closing. Thank you for taking the time. Me as a moderator, Ahmad Raja Maulana, apologize if something goes wrong in this meeting. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.